dito sa third set ko. Okay. Sabi nga nila, halos lahat ng mga magagaling na singers ay galing sa Cebu. Anyways, pwede niyo ba akong turong mag-Bisaya? Ano ba yung Cebuano ng love?
Higong bakit ka?
Okay. Aray ko, nakakala naman to. Okay. Gugma! Galing! I actually prepared a Cebuano song for you guys. And it's about love. Gugma. Okay? This song is about accepting and setting your love free. So here it goes, and I hope you like it. I wish I could give justice to the song, and kung alam niyo po yung kanta, pwede niyo po kasabayan. Okay? Music please. Oh gosh! to eh. Pero, bago matapos tong gabi ito, papasalamat muna tayo sa lahat na tumulong para sa success ng concert na ito. And I would like to thank the sponsors, the Freeman, Banat, RCTV 36. Ito na ang copy. Pasensya na guys, walang cue cards eh. Okay, the Freeman, thank you so much. Banat, RCTV 36, Monster BD 105.9, 99.5 RT, 103.5, Wild FM Killer B, 92.3, Story